This is one stretch of that Themeda, I think it's called Themeda. And you are correct. The species are right in the title. The flowers are, they hang downwards like this. This one. Now flowering season is over, but we can get the identity by looking at this. So this is one good example of using this one as a hedge. Now here on one side that paddy field and all is there, other side road, and then it has taken a very nice hedge formation here. So there is a row of this grass, this Themeda. So along the road it has formed a very nice hedge formation. And it has grown up to about 5 to 6 feet tall. All this, and this is a perennial grass. It has good. It holds up, then it gives a stability to the ground and all. So erosion and all will be stopped also. And then if it is chopped and trimmed little bit, it becomes like this. So once again it can be trimmed. Fresh growth will come up when the rains come, and fresh growth will be over here. We can see in the natural height. So it is a very attractive glass only, and if one knows how to use it, it is a good plant for gardening and all. So this is leaves are quite long, and the whole thing takes a very nice bushy formation with a base clump coming up from down and then going up to 5 feet. Then it is also holding up the soil. We can see this from inside, from the other side of that road now, where it has to do the work of upholding the border of this farm also. So here it has formed dense patch of like a hedge formation only. Other side paddy field is there. So it makes it can take about 1.5 feet width. It provides it also sequesters a lot of carbon, and then it stops erosion all over there. There's a 60 degrees to 70 degrees slope. It is holding it up nicely. There is no erosion and all. So this is the about using this Themeda as a soil stabilizer and as a hedge plant.